Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can boost your productivity by using Trello's task assignment automation. This is your full guide for 2025, so let's get started. To start with, you'll need to set up your Trello board if you haven't done so already. Boards are the backbone of Trello, acting as your workspace where you'll organize and assign tasks. Now, the reason we do this is because Trello's automation relies heavily on the board setup. It's the foundation of your workflow. Once your board is set, you'll want to set up your lists. Lists are columns on your board that represent different stages of your workflow. For instance, you could have lists for to-do, doing, and done. This helps us because it visually separates tasks into stages, helping you see where everything is at a single glance. Next up, we're going to add some cards. Cards represent individual tasks within your workflow. To add a card, click on the plus button on a list and start typing. The reason we do this is because each card is a potential task that can be automated and assigned to team members. Now that we've created a few cards, let's assign some members. Click on a card to open it, then click on Members and type in the name of the teammate you want to assign the task to. This is crucial because assigning tasks keeps everyone on the same page and ensures accountability. All right, with your tasks assigned, let's automate. Trello uses a feature called Butler, which can automate almost any action on your board. Click on the Butler icon on your board's menu and select Rules. Here's where the magic happens. For instance, you can create a rule that automatically moves a card to the Done list when you check off all its checklist items. The reason we do this is to streamline your workflow and save time on routine tasks. Butler is a very versatile tool. Feel free to explore its options and create rules that best fit your workflow. Let me explain why this matters. The more you automate, the more time you save. And in today's fast-paced world, time is of the essence. And that's it. You've set up your Trello board, created lists, added cards, assigned tasks, and automated your workflow. Now, sit back and watch as Trello keeps your tasks flowing smoothly. Remember, Trello's task assignment automation is here to make your life easier, so make the most of it. Thanks for joining me today. Look forward to more tips and tricks next time.